In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an inventory item in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct company file so the item is created in the right place. This is important, especially if you manage more than one business account. Next, go to Sales and then select Products and Services. This is the area where QuickBooks stores the items you sell, including services, non-inventory products, and inventory items. From here, click New to begin creating a new item. When QuickBooks asks for the item type, choose Inventory. This tells QuickBooks that you want to track both the quantity you have on hand and the value of that stock over time. Selecting the correct type here is essential because inventory items behave differently from other product types. Now enter the item name. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize, since this will appear in your records and on sales forms. If your business uses inventory codes, you can also add in SKU. This step is optional, but it can be helpful for organizing products and searching for them quickly later on. If you use categories to group your items, select a category for this inventory item. This is also optional, but it can make your product list easier to manage, especially if you have a large catalog. After that, enter the initial quantity on hand. This should reflect the number of units you currently have in stock. Then set the inventory start date. This date tells QuickBooks when to begin tracking the quantity and value of this item, so it's important to choose it carefully based on your records. Next, complete the sales information. Enter the sales price or rate and choose the appropriate income account. This ensures that when you sell the item, the revenue is posted correctly in your books. Then enter the purchasing information. Add the item's cost and select the correct expense account. This helps QuickBooks track what you pay for the item and supports more accurate reporting. Before saving, take a moment to review all the inventory details. Double-check the quantity, pricing, dates, and account selections. Catching any mistakes now can save time and help prevent inventory or bookkeeping issues later. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close if you're finished, or Save and New if you want to create another inventory item right away. That's all it takes to create an inventory item in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.